1. Introduction to chrome plating, what you need to know. Let's start with the basics. Chrome plating, also known as chromium plating, is a technique where a thin layer of chromium is applied to a metal surface through electroplating. It's used not only for the shiny finish but also for its corrosion resistance, durability, and ease of cleaning. 2. The history and evolution of chrome plating. Chrome plating isn't a new trend. It's been around since the early 20th century. It started as a solution to the rusting problem in the automotive industry. And now it's used in various sectors due to its beneficial properties. Over the years, the technique has evolved, with improvements in quality, efficiency, and environmental factors. 3. Understanding the chrome plating process, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of chrome plating. It starts with surface preparation. Then the object is submerged in a chromium bath where an electrical current is applied to create an even layer of chrome. Voila! You have a chrome-plated object. 4. Different types of chrome plating and their uses. There are different types of chrome plating: decorative, hard, and even black chrome, each with their unique properties and applications. Decorative chrome, for instance, is used in automotive and furniture industries for that aesthetic appeal. Hard chrome, on the other hand, is used in industrial equipment due to its durability and low friction. 5. The importance of chrome plating in the automotive industry. In the automotive industry, chrome plating is indispensable. It's used to enhance the appearance of various parts, provide corrosion resistance, and increase surface hardness. So, next time you admire that shiny car, know there's a lot of science behind it. 6. Benefits of chrome plating: durability, aesthetics, and more. Chrome plating isn't just for looks. It's incredibly durable, highly corrosion resistant, and it's even friction reducing. This makes it a valuable process in various industries. 7. Chrome plating vs other finishing techniques, a comparison. Compared to other finishing techniques, chrome plating stands out. It provides a higher shine, superior durability, and better corrosion resistance. Simply put, it's hard to beat. 8. Environmental impact of chrome plating, pros and cons. But like any industrial process, chrome plating does have an environmental impact. While modern methods have reduced toxic emissions, waste disposal remains a concern. It's important to balance the benefits with responsible practices. That's all for today, folks. We hope this insight into chrome plating has been enlightening. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Until next time, I'm Thamiz Harasu, your business coach, signing off.